Welcome to Study Loop.
In general, the law of cosines would say that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times the cosine of c, where a and b are two sides of the other two sides of the triangle, and side c and angle c are opposite angle side pairs. And so in each of these problems, you're wanting to find an angle, so you could solve this in general for the angle by subtracting a squared and b squared, and then dividing by negative 2ab, and then taking the inverse cosine of both sides, and that will be left with the angle. So we can apply this now pretty quickly to the problems involved. If you want to find angle A, then side A then it would be sides B and C that are the other two sides. So it would be the inverse cosine of 42 squared minus 19 squared minus 30 squared over negative 2 times 19 times 30. I'll come back and calculate in a moment. Number 17 would be the inverse cosine of, if you want to find angle C, then you're going to start with side C, 20, and then you're going to subtract 14 squared and 13 squared, and divide by negative 2 times 14 times 13. Number 18 would be the inverse cosine. If you want to find angle B, then you start with side B, 31 squared minus 16 squared minus 20 squared over negative 2 times 16 times 20. Number 19 would be the inverse cosine. If you want to find angle A, then you start with angle A, or side A, 13 squared minus 22 squared minus 28 squared over negative 2 times 22 times 28. And number 20, you want to find angle C, so start with side C, 160, and then subtract the other two sides, 108 and 32, 132. And then just make sure your calculator is in degree mode. So number 16 to the nearest tenth, that becomes 91.8 to the nearest tenth. And number 17, oh wait, it's 116.2. Number 17, 20, 14, 13, 95.5. Number 18 into the calculator, 31, 16, and 20. That comes out to 118.5. Number 19. For 13, 22, 28. Comes out to 26.9. And the last one with 160, 108, and 32. 108 and 132. 83.0.